Page 292. Here's the guided instruction. 43 take away 18 equals what? Today we're using a new strategy. It is called compensation. You can use compensation to make numbers that are easier to subtract. It's easier to subtract 20 than 18. One way, add 2 to both numbers, then subtract using mental math. So what they're doing is you have an equation, 43 take away 18. They're going to make it easier, and instead of using 43 and 18, they're going to round up 18 to a group of 20. So you really can pick at home what numbers you would like to choose to best solve the equation. They chose 18 plus 2 equals 20. But with compensation, what you do on one side, you have to do to the other. So if you're going to round up and make 18 into a group of 20, 18 plus 2 is 20. They also added 2 on the left-hand side. So 43 plus 2 is 45. Then what you're going to do is subtract 45, take away 20. Equals 25. It's the same as 43 take away 18 equals 25. They're just adding numbers to make mental math easier. You can pick any number that you'd like to choose at home. Another way, add 2 to 18, then subtract using mental math. Then add 2 to find the answer. So 43 take away 18 equals what number? They're going to add 2 to round up from 18 to make it into 20. 43 take away 20 equals 23. But if you add 2 on this side, you also have to add 2 on this side. So what they're doing is 23, they're just adding the 2 to equal 25. It's the same thing as this example. So 43 take away 18 equals 25. I subtracted 2 more than 18, so I need to add 2 to 23 to find the answer. So take a peek down here. You do not have to do the show me. Use compensation to make numbers that are easier to subtract. Then solve and show your work. You can pick whatever number that you would like to add to make the equation easier. On number 1, they show you 52 take away 8 equals. They're looking for groups of 10. So you think to yourself, which number can I round up to make a group of 10? 8 plus 2 makes a group of 10. But compensation tells us what you do on one side, since we added 2, we have to do it on the other side. So we add 2. 52 plus 2 is 54. 54 subtract 10 is 44. You can pick any number that you would like at home, whatever makes this equation easiest for you to solve. Number 2, 76 take away 27 equals. You want to look at the number, you pick which one, and you want to round off to the nearest groups of 10. So if I choose 27, 27 plus how many? If I'm looking at my hundreds chart, 10, 20, 30, how many would I have to add to equal 30? If I had 27 and counted up, to the closest group of 10, which is 30, how much would I have to add? 27, let's count together. 28, 29, 30. How many fingers did you add? How many blocks did you add? How many crayons did you add? 3? Nice work. What compensation tells us is whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I added 3, 27 plus 3, and you can pause the video to write in your answers. If you said 30, yes, you are right. But since I added 3 on this side, I also have to add 5 over here? No, it's the same exact number. If I add 3 on one side, I have to add 3 on the other side. I don't make up a different number. 76 plus 3. I'll give you a second to think about it. Put 76 in your head and add up. "76, 77, 78. If you got 79, give yourself a little pat on the back. 79 take away 30 equals, see how we made a nice group of 10? Look at your hundreds chart. If I'm at 79 and I hop back 30, go ahead and fill your answer in right here. All right, number 3, 52 take away 15. They're using another way example. You can choose whatever is easiest for you at home. 52 take away 15 equals. To round 15 up into a group of 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. They added 5. 52 take away 20 equals, if you look on your number chart, go backwards. 52 take away 20 equals 32, but you also have to add 5 because we didn't add 5 on this side. Like up here, they're adding 5 to the total. So 32 plus 5 would give you 37. So number 4, you can practice this way, this model, also shown right here. 93 take away 39 equals. You want to round up. What's the closest group of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Did you say 40? If you did, good job. 39 plus what number equals 40? Plus 1? You are correct. 93. So I just take this number up here. 93 take away 40. 9 take away 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Don't forget that 3. Go ahead. But don't forget, I added 1. I also have to add 1 to my total. 53 plus 1 would equal 54. So they're showing you 2 different ways. You can pick which strategy works best for you.